Start with a magic circle and chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 6 single crochets in the circle. Once you are done, pull this yarn in to close the gap and slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 2 single crochets in each and every stitch. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet, and total you should have 18 stitches. Next round, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 1 increase. And once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet, and total you should have 24 stitches. Next round, chain 2, 1 double crochet cluster in the same stitch. Let's yarn over and pull through first 2 loops, but do not finish the stitch. Yarn over and again pull through 2 loops. You should have 3 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's 1 cluster stitch made. Now repeat this, chain 2, yarn over and insert your hook in the stitch. That's 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and chain 1. Repeat this until it's around 6 or 7 inches. Once you reach the end, weave off. Next round, count 8 stitches from here, 2, 3, and join your yarn. Here make 4 double crochets in the same stitch. And the last one 4, and make a slip stitch in the same stitch. Repeat the same on this side, count back 8 stitches. Yeah. Now make 1 single crochet in each and every stitch until over here. Now in the next stitch, make a slip stitch and make 4 double crochets over here. And 1 slip stitch and weave off your yarn. Now with the black color yarn, sew the eyes. Secure yarn properly and weave off, and repeat the same on the other side as well. Same way, use a red color yarn to sew the mouth. This is how it will look. And for this yarn end, you can use a button or any other charm which you have. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.